Modern vehicles have to cope nowadays with many challenges, like strict emissions norms, fuel economy requirements, difficult conditions of the constant stop-and-go mode in the urban traffic, and many more others. The engine of the vehicle plays the central role. Let's consider it as the heart of the vehicle. The fuel system would play a role of a blood system. The fuel-air mixture enters the combustion chamber. Exhaust gases exit. Here we see the process of optimal combustion. But combustion also inevitably produces combustion residues that settle as deposits in the combustion chamber. Over time, more and more deposits accumulate. This can become particularly critical in the most important elements of the combustion system, the injectors. In the combustion chamber, pressure, temperature, and poor fuel have a negative impact, especially on modern engines. A total system failure is imminent. We at RAVENOL have developed a very effective solution for this problem. The combination of the most effective detergents is specially formulated to completely remove all deposits, using the most modern ingredients PIBA, PIB, PEA. PEA is extremely heat-resistant and thus guarantees maximum cleaning effectiveness even inside the combustion chamber. The deposits are targeted and dissolved. Deposit control additives effectively prevent the formation of further deposits. The car regains its original engine performance. RAVENOL fuel additives help get the most out of your car. We offer the solution for every challenge.